Okay, here. Deterministic radiation responses usually follow a high-dose exposure and an early response. Okay? Early response of radiation. Radiation-induced skin burns represent a deterministic response. Meaning, when we say deterministic effects of radiation, guys, these are the effects of radiation na kita agad. Okay? Deterministic effects are effects of radiation that are visible after a certain amount of radiation. Meaning, kita agad siya of radiation. Yun siya. That's deterministic effects or the early effects of radiation. While your stochastic naman, stochastic responses are cancer, leukemia, or genetic effect. Such responses usually follow low radiation exposure and appear as a late radiation response, meaning the accumulated radiation exposure may give us stochastic effects of radiation. Okay, so para siyang bangko na iniimbakan natin ng radiation doses natin, and it could or it could not give us radiation effects. So those are stochastic effects of radiation, the late radiation response. So parang naiipon ang radiation responses, and then over time, we could experience yan, cancer, leukemia, genetic effects, or permanent sterility. Sterility yung nababaog po tayo. So, yun po siya. So, yun, ang mga radiation workers, pinag-iingat po tayo sa stochastic effects of radiation.